My dear learners and honorable guardians, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. I am also fine. So learners, welcome to my online class. Before starting class, I want to share my identity. I am Hasina Mumtaz, Assistant Head Teacher, Rajadisi High School, Sylhet. So let's start class of 6 to 10 from English grammar and composition. My dear learners, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? We see police is asking a boy what happened. The boy answered, my bicycle has been stolen. Now students, look at this sentence. Here two sentences and different meanings. I compose an email. An email is composed by me. He eats a mango. A mango is eaten by him. So, although the two sentences in the same meaning row express, but their structures are different. Have you noticed that the door is focused and wants the action? So, dear students, what can we tell this sentence? Can you guess anything? Yes, you are right, boys. So today our topic is boys. So, my dear learners, today I want to teach you boys part 1. Boys part 1. Learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to set define boys, set define active boys and passive boys, know the rules of active boys and passive boys. Now, let's learn some rules for active passive boys. Look at the board. Active. Active, Saqib plays cricket. Saqib plays cricket. Saqib plays cricket. Here, Saqib subject plays verb and cricket object. Now this is active form, passive form. Passive. Cricket is played by Saqib. Here, this is object. Is verb. Played main verb. Of past participle form. By by plus subject. Preposition. Preposition. Now, learners, here active and passive voice. Voice is the form of verb which indicates whether the subject does the work or something has been done to it. We know there are two types of voice in English, active and passive. Remember, when the door is focused, we use active voice, and when the action is focused, we use passive voice. So here we can see Saqib subject place verb cricket object. Then passive change passive cricket here is as a subject, and now auxiliary verb is to be verb, and played here plays past participle form played, and before subject we use preposition by, with, to, etc. Then subject. Okay, we know the subject of the verb become the object, like Saqib. Auxiliary verb be verb, am, is, are, was, were is used before the past participle in according the tense of verb. You will see later that auxiliary verb such as have, has been, have been, had been, is being, are being, am being, was being, were being, will be, can be, will be being, etc. are used before the past participle. The main verbs become past participle. The object of the verbs become subject. Auxiliary by is used usually before the object, the passive sentence. Now we can see a chart subject object. I, me, we, us, you, he, him. Here she, her, it, they, them, Mina, name, no change. Okay. Now, my dear learners, we use active from passive. We will use auxiliary verb of tense like this. Here present indefinite tense we use be verb, am, is, are. Present continuous tense we use am being, is being, are being. Present perfect tense we use passive form has been, have been. Present perfect continuous tense we use have has been, being, have been, being. Now next past tense. Past indefinite tense we use passive form was, were. Past continuous tense we use was being, were being. Past perfect continuous perfect tense we use had been, and past perfect continuous tense we use had been, being. Now future indefinite tense shall be, will be we use. Future continuous tense passive form shall be, being, will be, being. Future perfect tense shall have been, will have been. Now future perfect continuous tense we use passive form shall have been, will have been. Learners, when we will active from passive modal auxiliary verb will be changed the following. Active passive modal auxiliary should, we use passive from should be, would changed would be, may be, might be, can be, could be, must be, ought to be, used to be. Let's start change voice active from passive. At first we will change active from passive by single sentence with 12 tense. At first, this is a single sentence. I eat rice. Present indefinite. Change passive rice, auxiliary verb is, main verb changed, eaten. Now before subject we use preposition by and subject change object I change me. Rice is eaten by me. Now I am eating rice. This is active. And change passive rice, am change am being. Here rice is singular, third person is, being main verb change, eaten. Now use by and subject change object I change me. We can see I am eating rice, change passive, rice is being eaten by me. Next, I have eaten rice. Change passive, here rice is third person singular number, auxiliary verb has been, main verb change, past participle from eaten. Next I use preposition by and change I change object me. Here rice has been eaten by me. Next, present perfect indefinite tense I have been eating rice. Change passive rice have been, change has been being, main verb past participle from eaten. Now preposition by use before subject I change me. So dear students, we can see present indefinite tense I eat rice change passive rice is eaten by me. Now I am eating rice. Here we can see passive form rice is being eaten by me. I have eaten rice. Change rice has been eaten by me. I have been eating rice. This is present perfect continuous tense. Change passive rice has been being eaten by me. Past indefinite. Past indefinite. I ate rice. Passive form here rice change will be changed subject rice was eaten by me. Now past continuous. I was eating rice. She will be changed rice passive from rice was being eaten by me. Next past perfect. I had eaten rice. We change rice had been eaten by me. Next past participle perfect continuous. I had been eating rice. This will be changed passive rice had been being eaten by me. So dear learners, we can see past indefinite tense will be changed passive from rice. Passive rice was eaten by me. Here past continuous I was eating rice will be changed rice was being eaten by me. Past perfect I had eaten rice change rice had been eaten by me. Here I had been eating rice. Past perfect continuous tense will be changed passive rice had been eaten by me. Okay. Now future tense. Future indefinite I shall eat rice. Change rice will. Third person singular number we can use will. Rice will be past participle from eaten by me. Future continuous I shall be eating rice. Change rice will be being eaten by me. Now future perfect. I shall have eaten rice. Change rice will have been eaten by me. Okay, now next future perfect continuous. I shall have been eating rice. This change rice will have been being eaten by me. Now learners, we can see future indefinite. I shall eat rice. This specific from rice will be eaten by me. Here future continuous tense. I shall be eating rice. Rice will be being eaten by me. Here I shall have eaten rice. Future perfect. Its passive rice will have been eaten by me. Future perfect continuous tense. I shall have been eating rice. Its passive rice will have been being eaten by me. Okay? No more today. Today we have learned boys part 1. We have learned what is boys, how many kinds of boys, and active from passive will use auxiliary verb of tense, and we will active from passive modal auxiliary verb will be changed, and a single use of single sentence change tense. So you will study your grammar and composition books, and next we will learn active from passive change by sentence, assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, optative, imperative. Okay, stay home, stay safe, and continue your study. Thank you to all.